In order to get ahead financially, you need financial literacy. Having financial literacy ensures that you are more prudent with your resources. The key to creating wealth and maintaining your wealth is by increasing your financial literacy. You may ask yourself, why do I need financial literacy? We live in a very complex world today with rapid technological changes and rapid advancements in financial instruments. Having great financial literacy places you in a position of strength and opens up opportunities for you. Before we continue, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for regular videos on how to improve your personal finance and grow your wealth. Here is a little exercise to check your financial literacy. 1. Are you using more of your income to pay debts? 2. Do you make only the minimum payments due on your loans and credit cards each month? 3. Are you near, at, or over the credit limit on your credit cards? 4. Are you paying your bills with money intended for other things? 5. Are you borrowing money or using credit cards to pay for things you used to buy with cash? 6. Do you pay your bills late? 7. Are you dipping into your savings to pay current bills? 8. Do you put off visits to your doctor or dentist because you can't afford them? 9. Has a collection agency called recently about overdue bills? 10. Are you working overtime or holding a second job just to make ends meet? 11. If you or your spouse lost your job, would you be in financial distress? 12. Do you worry about money a lot? If you answered no to all questions, then you have high financial literacy. 1 or 2 yes answers can be a warning sign of potential problems. Before things get worse, take time now to set up a budget, including a savings plan. Cut back on your credit card usage, and closely monitor your spending. 3 to 5 yes answers could mean that you're heading for financial trouble. It's imperative that you get your spending under control right away. If you don't have a monthly budget, create one, and stick to it. Put your credit cards away and suspend all unnecessary spending until you can answer no to all the questions above. If you answered yes to more than 5 of the questions, you may already be in serious financial trouble. Don't give up, however, seek professional help in order to improve your financial literacy and get yourself back on track. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below, saying, "I subscribed," and I will try my best to reply to your comment.